Welcome to the YouTube channel Message of the Chart. In this video, we will have a look at some of the momentum stocks. These momentum stocks are picked up based on their nearness to the 52-week high and higher volume in last week, that is the week ending last Friday, compared to the 20 weeks average volume. So now, even though I am discussing about these stocks, I will be discussing only about the technical chart and the financials I am not going to see in this video. And please remember, there is no any order of importance in my presence in presenting these shares. Whatever first presented is more important. It is not like that. Just I am going at random. The first stock we are taking today is not in ranking, just as in sequential order, Mahindra Holidays. Here if you see, this is weekly chart. If we see this weekly chart, we are having a good breakout at this level. Here it spent considerable time in this level and then the breakout came. As per the weekly chart, the next nearest resistance seems to be somewhere around here. So the high volume here available here, especially this high volume, this is the reason why we selected this stock. This after piercing through this resistance, earlier it was resistance, you can see very well it is resisted here and again one more attempt here. It is a range. If you consider a range, this range is a resistance zone. We can consider this as a range. So there is a lot of resistance within this range, and on piercing through this range, the stock is poised to go and touch the previous resistance, next resistance rather. So next resistance is somewhere here. And there is one more point of interesting is this level, because earlier it has taken support at this level. It has pierced that level also. The two high volume candles are visible in this chart. The previous high volume candle high and this previous support level is almost same. That means that this has pierced with a good volume, the previous high also and the long term resistance also. So it is possible to move towards the next resistance level, which is around 345 in this case. And after which there is a all-time high will be the ultimate target for this stock, which is somewhere near 449. It may take some time, but still that is the way for this stock to move ahead. It may take some correction, as in the last high volume candle it took some correction and then it started moving up. Here also it may take some correction, take the support at in this zone of support zone, again it may go up. So this is the prediction based on the chart pattern. I have not seen the financials and other details related to this chart. Please do it yourself. And again, this is not a recommendation to buy. This is just the idea that the way the chart is telling the message is like this. Trust, depending on your own risk profile, you can decide. Next chart we are going to see is Nesco. Here if you see, we will try to locate the immediately visible support and resistance. Even though the support and resistance we are marking as a single line, this has to be considered as a range. Now if we see this chart, here there is some high volume candle, it pierced this support line. After that it tried to go through this level of 593 approximately. 595 level, when it tried to cross, it couldn't cross, so it got rejected. It came almost near the support zone. Again it attempted to pierce through the 599 level. It did closed above that level, but there is no follow-up, there was no follow-up buying, so it started falling down, and exactly at the same support line it took the support, and again now it is going up. Now the difference between this attempt and this attempt is here the presence of the high volume candle, which means more buyers are there. Buyers are stronger here. It is going up. It completely pierced, and we can say because this candle is having a long wick upper side, there will be some correction, and again it may try to take a support either at this 593, 595 level or at some other level to shake out the any level depending on the sentiment and involvement of the traders. It may take support at any of these level, mostly this level. This is too far, so it may not go to up to this level. Likely to take the support either at 393 levels or at around 560, 555, 560 levels. Then it will restart its journey towards upwards, and there is no notable resistance beyond this level. Once this level is crossed, it may go altogether to its all-time high of 773. Is it the all-time high? Yes. So it may travel very comfortably up to 773. Of course, it will take its own time, but there is no major resistance seen visible in this zone. Actually, even this fall from the all-time high was due to the pandemic. Now it has recovered most of the fall down from during the pandemic jerk reaction in February, March 20, but it has not fully yet covered. Once it is piercing this line of 775 levels, definitely there will be some correction and taking the support again, and it will go further upwards to raise to the new high. It will take some time, but patience is required to trade in such stocks. Here, this good volume presence and the piercing through this resistance zone is giving us confidence to take some position. On dips, it can be bought and accumulated. Next stock we are seeing today is Equitas Holdings. Here, if we see the support resistance, so the support immediately visible support resistance I have marked right here. Please consider this as a range. Even though a single line is down, we have to consider it as a range. As I told already, the more candles touching this line, the line's respect, strength, energy will be more. So now here what happened in this, we will just have a look at this. During the February, March 2020, it fell down to a new low. After that, it consolidated for a long time. Then it started climbing here. See, when we draw this support line, automatically earlier it supported the price during somewhere in October 2018. That is visible from this wick. So that means that this is a reasonably good support level. If you want to have some other support level, this may be the other support level. So here the stock breakout, spent some time here, then again it went up to the, here another marking is there as a resistance line. It came down, took the support promptly at this line and went above this with good volume. This volume is the reason why this stock is appearing in our video today. Here it exactly like here it did. You can see like here it did exactly at this point it has stopped. So now it may take some retracement. It may take support either here or at this level around 92 to 98 level, anywhere it may take support, and again it will continue its journey. Once this level is broken, then next it will move to 140 levels, and then it will go further and further again. The all-time high for this stock is somewhere around 206, so there is a good scope for this stock to perform well in coming days. So we can start accumulating slowly on every dips, and near the support zones we can add more also. And next stock we are going to see today is Soba. If you have a look at the visible support and resistance, okay, Okay. See, this range is very good range to consolidate for this stock, because the fall during the 2020 pandemic, that reaction, it has took to new low, recent new low. From there it climbed slowly. Here it got some momentum and climbed and gone through this line, from where it started the fall almost. This, if you consider as a range, you can understand what I am trying to tell you. Then again, the same place it took the support. It spent a considerable time in this zone. See, each candle here visible is of 1 week duration. So you can see as many as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. That means 8 weeks it spent the time near the support zone, and finally decided to take the support as a reasonable support and a valuable support and a powerful support, and with a good volume candle it went up. After this again it took the support there, again it tried to pierce through this line, again it took some correction, again now with the higher volume. Now this candle, if you see, it is the highest volume in the visible zone, so it pierced. So here what may happen further is it may take some retracement and take the support somewhere here, or in the worst scenario approximately at this level. So in this zone it could be accumulator. When it is retracing, we can you can go to daily chart to have a more precise idea about the accumulation zone and other things. So when it is coming back at this zone, because earlier it acted as the resistance, so when it is touching this line, we can start adding. Then again it may come down and took the support somewhere here, here, up to this zone we can go on accumulating, because this has been established as a strong support. Keeping this just below this as the stop loss for long-term investors can start accumulating in this zone, and definitely it is poised to go and scale the higher levels. This volume is the case. The recent most candle is actually red in color, but still the closing is above the high of close of the previous candle, so it may start moving up from here also, in which case a break going through above the previous day high may be taken as the aggressive entry point. Again some retracement will be there, patience is required to milk the money from this place. Next chart we are going to see is Avanti Feeds. We will go to weekly chart. You will have a quick marking at the visible support and resistance zone. So here if you see, it spent considerable time in this range. See, this is getting importance because earlier also it attempted there. See, this line once pierced, it went up to this line and got resistance, retraced, then again got the strength and pierced through it. But due to this February-March panic reaction and the market reaction to the pandemic condition, it fell to a very low level. Again, here very good candle formed and it spent considerable time here. This is what is more important to note. As many as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 7 weeks it spent. We are in weekly chart. 7 weeks it spent before decisively piercing through this line. So earlier whatever was a resistance, now it has become a very reasonable support. After that it started climbing up, took some retracement, climbing up, touching the next resistance line. See, this line is getting significance, as I told you already earlier also, it was rejected from here before taking it to a new higher level. So it got rejected here, it came back, another attempt, rejected, came back, promptly it took the support here. You see, this is the beauty of the charts. After taking the support here, it went again, it pierced through it, retraced, again now with a high volume, very high volume, it pierced through this zone. So now this will act as a good support. as this acted as a good support after spending some time. It has already spent in this range for quite some time, so this will act as a good support, we can assume. So this may take some retracement, come back maximum up to this level to take the support. If it is going below this level, traders can wait for it to again come above this level, and then only we can enter. In that way, the momentum can be used to our advantage. The next immediate resistance is at 725 levels, above which it is having all-time high of around 980. So good scope here for appreciation. One can keep in watch list and add on dips as per their risk profile. And the last chart today we are going to see is of Motilal Oswal Financial Services. We will have a quick marking of supports and resistance here. So we have marked the support and resistance here. Now here this high volume candle is very nicely piercing through the one of the important resistance zone. See here it has resisted very nicely, it dipped to very good low level. Then again it spent considerable time, then it pierced, retraced, spent some time near this zone, then it with a high volume candle pierced through this level. So this zone will act as a very good support zone. So on any dips one can purchase and go ahead. The immediate next minor resistance is around 10,040 and 11,085 levels. And the all-time high for this stock is 1,588. So that is good scope for this stock to perform well in the days to come. It is a very good rounding bottom formation. So definitely it is possible to go up in the medium to long term. Hope this video will be of some help to the traders. Let us meet again with one more good video like this. Till then, bye.